Hello, marketers and financial thrill seekers and humor enthusiasts. Buckle up for a hilarious roller coaster ride through the intricacies of boosting earnings and simplifying life. We're about to inject your financial journey with laughter and a touch of seriousness. Let's explore 10 strategies that not only tickle your funny bone, but also ground you in a more prosperous reality. Ready for the comedic odyssey with a touch of sobriety? Let's roll. 1. Strategic expense reflection. The comedy of the budgetary errors. Imagine your budget as a sitcom, complete with laugh tracks for every budgetary error. Hunt down those pesky expenses like a detective in a budgetary detective series. The challenge is to find the hidden gems of overspending, turning your financial life into a thrilling comedy drama. Sobriety check. Track your monthly coffee shop visits. You might be financing their barista's retirement. 2. Cultivate a lucrative side hustle. The wacky world of money-making hobbies. Dive into the whimsical world of side hustles where your passion project doubles as a stand-up comedy act. Picture yourself monetizing your love for knitting quirky scarves for garden gnomes. Sobriety check. Calculate the potential earnings from selling these eccentric creations. Turns out gnome scarves are the next big trend. 3. Automation revolution. Robo-Buddy, your comedy sidekick. Meet Robo-Buddy, the AI sidekick that automates your tasks, turning your life into a sci-fi sitcom. Picture yourself sipping a futuristic beverage while Robo-Buddy conquers your to-do list. Sobriety check. Marvel at the extra hours gained and use them to finally write that novel or learn a new skill. Robo-Buddy is your ticket to productivity. 4. Informed investment strategies. The Wall Street Stand-Up Special. Attend the Wall Street Stand-Up Special, where investments are the punchlines. Dive into the comedy of market trends and watch your money perform a financial jig. Sobriety check. Invest in stable stocks like the ever-popular Dad Joke Index, guaranteed to bring in a solid return. 5. Continuous skill enhancement, the Renaissance Woman revival, the talent show spectacle. Unleash your inner Renaissance woman in a talent show spectacular. Picture yourself juggling, playing the bagpipes, and reciting poetry simultaneously. Sobriety check. Showcase these talents in unexpected situations. You might just charm your way into a higher paying job or lucrative opportunities. 6. Delegation for liberation. Task toss extravaganza. Enter the task toss extravaganza, where you delegate with flair. Visualize yourself tossing mundane tasks away like a pro athlete, a skill worthy of a comedic Olympics. Sobriety check. Delegate your least favorite chore and use the newfound time to indulge in a hobby or relax. Delegation is the unsung hero of a stress-free life. 7. Masterful time allocation, the time travel scheduler. Picture a time travel scheduler, the device that makes time bend to your will. Laugh along as you effortlessly navigate work, relaxation, and personal activities. Sobriety check. Use this newfound mastery to schedule self-care moments. Time well spent is an investment in your mental well-being. 8. Diversify income sources. Income Mixology Bar Comedy Night. Welcome to the Income Mixology Bar, where your financial cocktail is the star of the comedy night. Picture yourself concocting a blend of freelancing, investments, and side hustle that leaves the audience in stitches. Sobriety check. Revel in the security of diverse income streams, a financial safety net for unpredictable times. 9. Tax Deduction Mastery, the Tax Laughter Festival. Join the Tax Laughter Festival, where tax deductions are the headliners. Embark on a hilarious treasure hunt through receipts and documents. Sobriety check. Discover the joy of legitimate deductions. A comedy of errors becomes a financial win when you know the rules. 10. Strategic Financial Goal Setting. The Financial GBS Comedy Tour. Strap in for the Financial GPS Comedy Tour, guiding you through the twists and turns of financial planning. Picture yourself setting goals amidst comedic detours. Sobriety check. Let the GPS recalibrate your route when life throws curveballs. A serious strategy for a future filled with financial contentment. So with these strategies, your financial journey transforms into a comedy extravaganza with a side of financial wisdom. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insights and occasional laughs on navigating the landscape of online marketing and finance. Thanks for listening.